October 5th, 11:32.
And we're getting some seismic rumbling going on. I mean, it's almost like thunder, but it stops too abruptly to be thunder. It also sounds like somebody with a cart with wheels on it and something really heavy. Oh. Wow, that was the longest one yet. The one just before that, I heard the plates rattle in the kitchen. Yeah, a little worrying because I've never heard it do that before. Weird. Here it goes.
There it goes. Well, that was a big one. And again. Well, that was a big one too. We're getting closer together, man. Let's try one with it on its side to see if it wobbles like this or anything like that. The next rumble. We'll see what's going on. That was a good one too.
That was a big one. I even heard plates rattle in the kitchen. These are definitely getting stronger. Let's wait for the next one.